Today's lesson إن شاء الله area of parallelogram. In the parallelogram, this side is called base and this is called height. The area of parallelogram, we multiply the length of the base multiply the length of the height. Base multiply height. Area of parallelogram, base multiply height. Base, this is the base, and this is the height. Multiply the length of the base, multiply the length of the height. Examples. In this parallelogram, the length of the base is 7 and the length of the height is 4. For that, the area is base multiply height, we multiply 7 by 4. 7 multiplied by 4 equals 28 square centimeters. In this parallelogram, the length of the base is 9 and the length of the height is 5. We multiply the length of the base multiply the length of the height. 9 multiplied 5 equals 45 square centimeters. In this parallelogram, the length of the base is 10 and the length of the height is 5. To find the area of the parallelogram, multiply the length of the base by the length of the height. It's 10 multiplied by 5 equals 50 square centimeters. In this parallelogram, the length of the base is 12 centimeters and the length of the height is 6 centimeters. Area of parallelogram, base multiply height. It's 12 multiplied by 6 equals 72 square centimeters. In this parallelogram, the length of the base is 8 centimeters and the length of its height is 3 centimeters. To find the area, multiply the length of the base by the length of the height. 8 multiplied by 3. It will be 24 square centimeters. In this parallelogram, the length of its base 11 centimeters and its height is 5. To find the area, multiply base by height. 11 multiplied by 5 equals 55 square centimeters. In this parallelogram, the length of the base is 6 and the length of its height is 2. Area of parallelogram, base multiplied height, 6 multiplied by 2 equals 12 square centimeters. Okay, I think it's very easy, يعني. Now, our sheet. This is a problem. The sheet is clear يا جماعة؟
Yes, Mr. Yes.
Okay يا حبيبي. In this exercise, find the area of each parallelogram. As we said, the area of parallelogram is base multiply height. The length of the base multiply the length of the height. Okay. يلا عدي. In this parallelogram, our base 11 inches and our height 4. What is the area?
4 multiply 11
Okay, 11 multiplied by 4 equals
equal 44.
44. Thank you. The next one. يلا حبيبة. Our base is 10 centimeters and our height is 6 centimeters.
10 multiplied by 6
10.
equals 60.
Yes, 10 multiplied by 6 equals 60. Thank you. Okay, the next one. يلا ياسين سادات. The base is 8 and the height is 3. What is the area?
Yes, and 8 multiplied by 3
8 multiply by 3 equals
24.
24 yards per of 2. Thank you, Yasin. Yasin Hisham. Our base is 12 meters and our height is 7.
12 times 7.
12 multiply 7 equals
7.
طيب 7 multiply by 2
7 multiplied by 2 equal 14.
4 and carry up 1 over 1. 7 multiply 1 equals sorry, 7 multiply 1.
7.
7 plus 1 equals
8.
8. It will be 84. Okay. طيب the next one E. يلا يا ملك.
Yes, mister.
Yes, يا حبيبتي. Our base is 6 and our height is 2. What is the area?
6 times 2.
6 multiply by 2. 6 multiplied by 2 equals
12.
12. Very good. Okay, thank you. يلا يا عمرو. Our base is 7 and our height is 3. What is the area?
Area equals 3 multiplied by 7 equals 24.
Okay.
21.
7 multiplied by 3 equals
Equals
21. Thank you, Amr. Next one. Yes, Isel. What is the area in this parallelogram? Our base is 8 and our height is 5.
8 multiplied 5 equal 40.
8 multiplied by 5 equals 40. Thank you. Okay, the last one. Yes, Mamdouh. Our base is 9 feet and our height is 5 feet. What is the area? Mamdouh. أمجد.
Yes, mister. Yes,
Yes, Mamdouh.
mister. حضرتك قلت يا مستر؟
What is
our
the
base is
area?
9 and ايه؟
The base is 9 and the
9
height is
multiply
5.
5.
9
9
multiplied 5 equals
45.
45. طيب. Now يا جماعة I make revision here about the perimeter and the area and the circumference. Firstly, this part about the formulas of perimeter, circumference, and area until now. What is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of
Mister, can I say?
wait يا حبيبي صحت. Perimeter of rectangle. يلا تناحي.
Side.
Perimeter.
Plus side. Side plus side multiply by 2.
Side plus side.
Mister,
نعم يا حبيبي.
length plus width multiply 2.
Length.
Plus width.
Yeah.
Yes. Plus width. Multiply
By 2.
by 2. Okay. طيب. Perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. يلا. Yes يا عدي. What is the formula of perimeter of square?
Yes, mister.
Yes يا حبيبي.
Multiply by 4.
ايه multiply by 4? What multiply by 4?
Square.
يعني the formula is square multiplied by 4? It's a side multiplied by 4. Length of one side multiplied by 4. Okay. طيب. Perimeter of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. ها. Yes, Aisha.
Side multiply 3.
Very good. Length of one side multiplied by 3 because here we have 3 equal sides. طيب. Perimeter. Yes.
Sorry for being late.
Okay, I see. Yes. Perimeter of regular hexagon. Regular hexagon. What is the perimeter of regular hexagon? Yes, Yasin, Hisham.
regular hexagon.
If you remember, we said the perimeter of any regular polygon, length of one side multiply number of sides. Length of one side multiply number of sides. This regular hexagon, how many sides in it?
6.
6. For that, the perimeter of it will be side multiplied by 6. If it is pentagon, for example, it will be side multiplied by 5. If it is octagon, side multiplied by 8, and so on. يبقى perimeter of any regular polygon, length of one side multiply number of sides. طيب, circumference of circle. I have two formulas for it. Circumference of circle. Sadat. Yes, Yasin. Tell me circumference of circle. The formula of it is
circumference of circle. Pi multiply by pi أو 3.14.
Sorry, again.
Pi multiply by the number أو
يعني what is this number? Represent what? Concentrate يا شباب. We have two formulas يا جماعة. If I have diameter in the circle, we use this formula. Diameter multiply pi. طبعا you know pi is the constant value اللي هي 3.14. طيب. If you have radius, it will be 2 multiply the length of the radius multiply pi also, and pi is 3.14. يبقى if you have diameter, it will be diameter multiply pi. If you have radius, it will be 2 multiply radius multiply pi.
because the radius is half of the diameter.
Yes, because the radius is half of the diameter, يعني the diameter equal to radii. طيب, area of rectangle. What is the formula of area of rectangle? This is yesterday's lesson. Area of rectangle. يا ملك. What is the area of rectangle?
The area of rectangle is length plus
No.
length multiply width.
Length multiply width. Only.
Length multiply width.
Only.
Width.
Only. It's a length multiply width. Okay. Okay. طب area of square. This also yesterday's lesson. Area of a square. Answer. Answer. No answer. Answer sleeping. Okay. Yes يا حبيبة. Area of square.
Yes, master.
يا حبيبتي.
Area of square. Side multiply by side.
Very good. It will be a side multiplied by itself. Length of side multiply itself side by side. طيب, this today is بقى lesson area of parallelogram. We said it's base multiply height. طيب perimeter of rhombus. Perimeter of rhombus.
Side multiply by side.
Sorry?
Side multiply by 4. Side multiply by side.
No, it's a side multiplied by 4 only because the rhombus has 4 equal sides like the square.
Square.
We multiply one length of one side by number of sides. Side multiplied by 4. طيب this يا جماعة the formulas طبعا you must keep them يا جماعة. طيب ياسين الضويني number 3. The perimeter of regular pentagon of side length 8.
The perimeter of regular pentagon of side length 8. Square?
Sorry? Square?
No. 8 multiply.
How many sides in the pentagon?
Mr. can I say?
Yasin.
Mr. 8 multiply 5.
Yes, it's 8 lengths of one side multiplied by 5. 8 multiplied by 5 equals?
8 multiplied by 5 equal 40.
Equals 40 centimeters. Okay. The area of a square of side length 9 inches. طماحي.
Yes.
Yes, يا عبد الرحمن.
9 multiplied by 9.
Yes, very good. It's 9 multiplied by 9 equals?
81.
81 inches power of 2. Okay. عمرو.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, يا عمرو. The area of parallelogram of base 7 and height 4.
It will be 7 multiplied by 4,
7 multiplied by 4 equals
28.
28 feet power of 2. Any area you must try power of 2 because here we use 2 dimensions to find the area. طيب the perimeter of rectangle of length 6 and width 3.
Mr. Can I answer?
Okay, يلا يا عدي.
The perimeter of a rectangle of length 6 YD and width 3 YD. 6 multiply 3 equal 18.
No, it's wrong.
Mr. Can I say
This is
it?
the area يا عدي. The area length بتتكلم يا حبيبي. This is the formulas again. Perimeter, it will be length plus width multiplied by 2. But if you multiply them, it's the area, not the perimeter. Again, the perimeter here, length plus width multiplied by 2. Okay يا عدي؟ طيب يبقى هنا يا جماعة to find the perimeter يلا يا عدي هنعمل ايه بقى؟
6 plus 3
Yes.
multiply 2.
Multiply by 2. طيب 6 plus 3 equals?
6 plus 3 9.
9 multiplied by 2?
18.
18 yards. طيب thank you يا عدي. Area of rectangle of length 8 and width 6. عايزين يوسف. يا يوسف. There is no يوسف. طيب. يلا يا أيسر area of rectangle length 8 and width 6.
8 multiply 6.
Length multiplied by width, it will be 8 multiplied by 6 equals
48.
48 square centimeters. طيب circumference of circle of diameter 10. Diameter. We have the diameter here. يبقى for that يا جماعة we use this formula. Diameter multiplied by. Our diameter here is 10. يبقى 10 multiply the length of pi, the value of pi 3.40. طبعا when we multiply by 10 we move the decimal point 1 digit to the right. يعني this will be 31.4. When we multiply by 10 as we said before يا جماعة in term 2 we move the decimal point to the right only 1 digit. It will be 31.4 centimeters. طيب G circumference of circle and we have radius 3. Radius.
Mr. Can I answer?
Okay.
2 multiplied by 3.
Yes, 2 multiplied by radius 3 multiply
Multiply by 3.14.
3.14. طيب 2 multiplied by 3 equals
6.
6 multiplied 3.14. We'll do it here. 3.14 multiply by 6. Okay. 6 multiplied by 4.
6 multiplied by 4 equals 24.
24. 4 and carry up 2. Then 6 multiplied by 1.
6.
6 plus 2
8.
equals 8. And 6 multiplied by 3
equals 18.
equals 18. Decimal point after 2 digits. يعني يا جماعة this will be 18.84 centimeters. This all the formulas we took in the perimeter and in the area. Again يا جماعة perimeter of rectangle length plus width multiplied by 2. Perimeter of a square side multiplied by 4. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle side multiplied by 3. Perimeter of regular hexagon side multiplied by 6, because here in the hexagon we have 6 sides. In any regular polygon, to find the perimeter, multiply length of side by number of sides. Circumference of circle, we have 2 formulas. One of them, if we have diameter, it will be diameter multiplied by, and the other, if we have radius, it will be 2 multiply radius multiplied by, and the value of by, as we said, is 3.14. Area of rectangle, it will be length multiplied by width. Area of square, side multiplied by side. Area of parallelogram, base multiply height. And perimeter of rhombus to be side multiplied by 4, because also here we have 4 equal sides. I think يا جماعة it's very easy, but يعني please you must keep this, please. The formulas is very important to solve. Okay, this is our lesson today. I think it's easy per area of parallelogram. Base multiply height to find the area, multiply the length of the base, multiply by the length of the height. Any question يا جماعة?
No,
Thank you, Mr.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr.
See you tomorrow إن شاء الله. السلام عليكم.
thank